Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing not our familiar golden sun, but a colossal, fiery giant or a dim, eerie red dwarf. What if we replaced our sun with other stars in the universe? How would our days, nights, and sunsets change? Let's embark on a mind-bending journey through space and time to visualize these cosmic transformations. The sun is the perfect star for sustaining life on Earth, but what if we swapped it with other stars? From the massive Betelgeuse to the tiny Proxima Centauri, different stars would create breathtaking, yet sometimes terrifying, scenarios. In this video, we'll explore what would happen to Earth's sky, climate, and daily life if we replaced the sun with various stars. Betelgeuse, a giant in our sky. If we replaced the sun with Betelgeuse, a red supergiant, it would appear as an enormous, deep crimson orb dominating the sky. Our sunsets would be an overwhelming blood red, and the Earth's climate would be scorched beyond recognition due to its immense energy output. Sirius, the brightest star. Replacing the sun with Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky, would bathe our world in a blinding blue-white glow. Sunsets would be electric blue, and temperatures would rise dramatically, pushing our planet to the brink of being uninhabitable. Proxima Centauri, a dying glow. If Proxima Centauri took the sun's place, our skies would dim to a weak reddish hue. As this small red dwarf emits only a fraction of the sun's energy, sunsets would be faint and eerie, and Earth would freeze into a frigid, dark wasteland. Vega, a fast-spinning beacon. Vega, a brilliant white star, would paint our sunsets in stunning silver and blue shades. However, its radiation and heat output would disrupt Earth's delicate climate balance, making it difficult for life to thrive. While swapping our sun with other stars makes for a fascinating thought experiment, it's clear that our sun is uniquely suited for life on Earth. Its balanced energy output, stable nature, and position in the galaxy have created the perfect conditions for our existence. So next time you watch a sunset, take a moment to appreciate the star that makes it all possible, the sun, the true artist of our sky. Would you like to see more stellar what-if scenarios? Let us know in the comments below.